And this is an adventure today that's all about driving heavy equipment here in Vegas. Crazy, right?
Hey!
Go, hey, how you doing? Will, nice to meet you. How are you doing? Nice to meet you. Getting picked up by some other homies who are YouTubers, and then we're about to go to Dig This.
All right, so my name's Kyle, and me and my wife also have our own.
McKenna, come get in here.
Yeah, where we like document our travel together. We
It's
live here in Las
called,
Vegas.
We have an
Vegas.
We're gonna get a picture real quick.
Okay, picture.
Easy. All you want to do is blow through the straw. Okay. Take a nice deep breath in. Slow, steady exhale. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so we have to do a breathalyzer before we get on the equipment. I've never done this before, so I just blow in it. Okay. She's blowing.
Like a champ.
Yeah.
What'd you blow?
I don't know.
Zeros.
Yes.
Hopefully I blow 0. Let's see.
That's right, folks. You can have a good time in Vegas.
I kept blowing it. Oh, zeros.
You're all good with 0? Let me restart you real.
Oh.
Okay, I'm still blowing. I'm tired.
That's all right.
You're not trying to whistle, Will.
So when that gets down to 0, do the same thing. If you start to run out of air, just suck back
Just
in
keep
through the
sucking.
straw.
Okay.
Like a big deep breath.
5,
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1, blow.
Gentle, steady, not
All right. So what we're gonna
Just
do is you don't need to blow quite so hard. No,
just
I gotta reset
slow
it.
and steady.
Slow and
It's
steady,
like a
like imagine
continuous-
birthday candles.
Okay.
Just a
Yeah,
nice
continuous
slow
breath
breeze.
for like
I'm
Just
blowing
enough,
too hard, y'all.
just enough to make it whistle. Okay.
Don't blow hard.
Breathalyzer is not a sprint; it's a marathon.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Light blow.
So this is great behind the scenes of what it's
All right,
like
let's do it again.
to be with vloggers. Here we go.
You run out, suck back in through the straw.
Nice. You got this. That's steady. Good
Perfect.
pace. Good pace. There you go.
Hey, I made it. 0. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk.
We're all good.
Cool. Let's go.
Be a person.
All of
All of
us.
us.
All of you guys.
Yeah.
How you doing?
We have
I'm
3
Drew.
different
How
channels.
you doing,
So who's
Jimmy?
the important one, really? All you guys?
All of
All of us.
I don't think none of them
Equal.
are important.
Yeah, that's the
Sure.
McKenna.
Kyle.
Kyle.
I'm Will. I'm a junior
Will.
as
The man
well.
behind the camera is Will.
I'm Mike.
Mike Jr., nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, guys, we're going to go inside here. Get your safety vest and your color preference.
All right, so we're about to put on our safety vest because we have to look official when we're here at Dig This. So the training session is over. We're about to go out and dig this.
We've got bulldozers and excavators and I don't know what's going on, but I'm so excited. Yes.
And my dad would be proud of me because my dad drives equipment like this.
Really?
Yeah, every single day.
Well, I feel like we've all seen it. You know, we've all seen highway work or construction work, and everyone, don't lie to me, you at one point have gone, I just wonder what that's like.
So they're heading off to do the excavator. So if you want to see them excavate out here at Dig This, so make sure you follow their channel and click on the link right here. Mike and I about to bulldoze.
Yeah.
You ready, Mike?
I don't,
You
I
born
don't,
ready.
I don't know what to expect. I can't say I'm ready, but I mean, now's the time.
One interesting thing that I realized when we were going through the training is that they have a shut-off switch because, you know, people can get crazy sometimes, but they can actually shut off the equipment anytime if something like that happens. So it's very safe out here at Dig This.
Victims.
Excavators go right over with Junior. Yeah. So,
See y'all later. Tom is our instructor here, so make sure you say what's up to Tom whenever you come out here. Make sure I put these on. This is a way that we communicate out here. Other way. Okay. How's it happen in front? Can't talk to it? Oh, I can hear myself. I'm about to push some dirt. Okay. This is real fun. Alright guys, so I am making a hill right here, so that's why I'm up on an elevated position. Tom has been a great trainer, training me how to drive a bulldozer for the first time, and this is how it looks. Alright, so Mike is right here. He is about to come over this big hill, and then that's my hill right here that I just created.
This is my hole so far. Pushed all this dirt up into this big pile here, and we're gonna watch Will do it. Will, let's show what these machines can do. For those of you that are wondering, Will and I are doing the bulldozers. McKenna and Kyle, they're doing the excavators right here. So in the background, you can see they're lifting up tires and moving them and building a stack of pyramids with those tires.
Oh, you did it!
I did it, man.
You were awesome.
I beat you in the tire race, though.
Yeah, see, I knew he would say that. We all know I had it. You guys saw it.
I sped up to like 2 miles per hour or 2.0.
Yeah, so they gave us a max speed 1.7. Someone cranked it up.
Yeah, I cranked it up because I saw him winning. I got stuck and I was like, no, he cannot beat me tonight. You beat me in Top Golf.
I was like, do you have nitro? You're like,
yeah.
NOS in yours?
I had
how
NOS
did you
in
pick
mine,
up
bro.
so quickly?
That was fun. I enjoyed that.
It was smooth,
Yeah,
right?
smooth. Yeah,
Really
very
easy.
much so.
So one of the interesting things about this is instead of having an accelerator pedal, instead of having a gas pedal where you press it down to go faster, they actually have a decelerator pedal. So it automatically sets the speed that it will go to, and as you press that pedal, it actually slows you down.
And I felt very safe. Congratulations, son. How was your experience? Did you enjoy it?
Dude! It was so fun!
Tell us about the basketballs.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, the basketballs, you had to line the teeth of the bucket up like right at the point of the cone and then like lift as you're doing it so then like the basketball would fall into it.
Wow.
Then you had to like twist and bring it around and drop it into a tire. I missed my first one. But you know, it was still fun. It was a great experience. I was like multitasking,
3 for 3
you know?
from the 3-point line.
I was so nervous at first about doing all of this, but it was fun. So if you're like 12 years old and up and you are looking to do this.
I even asked him about people knocking it off the cones, and he said it maybe happens once a day.
Wow.
So like people for the most, like, but it's very tedious. Like you have to take your time to like try to line it up. It's like very slow until you squeeze.
Man, this is a cool job that you have.
I do have a cool job.
You have a cool job, man.
I definitely do. That's why I've been here for 4 years.
Yeah, I bet if other construction workers knew that you could just watch somebody on construction equipment, they'd be like, I'm going to do that.
It's definitely one of the better jobs I've had for sure.
Oh.
All right, these are your official Dig This diplomas. Woo! What this diploma certifies and recognizes you for coming out to Dig This and participating here with us at the Dig This experience. It also about recognizes you for not only an additional digging it, but heck, each and every one of you totally dug it here at Dig This Vegas.
Yeah, we
so go
did.
ahead and turn your tassels over and throw your hats up in the sky.
We won! I said we won. We graduated.
We won too, you know.
Can you believe that? You guys have to cheat for these.
No, we didn't. We're going to a veggie spot. Veggie Nation, thank you guys. Really appreciate it. I can really eat here. So this is an all plant-based restaurant. So you got some cauliflower right there. Got some hot tamales right here. Woo, baby, you know I'm about to dig in. All right, so here's how the tamale looks inside.
What's it in?
It's like a corn husk.
This is amazing.
Look at that. And it's steamy.
So he
And it smells good.
And I said, careful with those tamales. It's the first time I've heard that.
Oh,
There we go.
my God.
That was a good one because he had
Our favorite one is like
That's good.
buffalo cauliflower, and it looks so good.
that one's massive.
They're buffalo cauliflower wings, so.
I'm gonna steal some of this.
That's really
I'll help you. Yeah.
Y'all gonna be vegan by the time I finish with them. They gonna be vegan by the time I finish with them.
That's the thumbnail right there.
Trying the hot tamales right now.
That's good, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's real good.
Oh yeah, that's good.
So the entrees are out. I got the vegan burger with cashew cheese, slaw, potatoes. I love good food, man. I get excited.
Size of your wedges.
Ooh, what's that?
This is a chicken pot pie with gnocchi instead of chicken, I think.
Ooh, that looks so good.
I want to see your first bite.
It looks piping hot, but you might have to wait a second.
It does look super hot.
We don't want to wait.
Eat it now.
Do it for the vlog. Alright guys, so we just finished eating at Veggie Nation. That black bean burger was delicious, excuse me. And we're off. Alright, so we're back from Dig This in Eden today and exploring on Fremont here in Vegas. Vegas is a very, very adventurous city. So if you're coming here to Vegas, make sure you check out all the activities that we're doing by watching all the videos, and make sure you subscribe to the homies channel. Make sure you subscribe to my homie Mike Downey. Make sure you subscribe to Got Love's channel. And I appreciate you watching this video. Until next time, you know how we do it. Peace.